And now we have a next topic. It's all about rules in differentiation, and this topic is review on derivatives. We have the derivative of constant rule. The derivative of constant is 0. Number 1 example, f of x equals 5, so f of x equals 0. Example number 2, f of x equals the square root of negative 7, f of x equals 0. We have the quotient rule. The derivative of quotient is equal to the denominator times the derivative of numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of denominator all over the square of denominator. Next, we have the difference rule. The derivative of difference is equal to the difference of the derivative. Take the derivative of each function separately. Example, f of x equals 5x cubed minus square root of 3x to the fifth. Evaluate f of x equals 5 times 3x raised to 3 minus 1 minus square root of 3 times the quantity of 5x raised to 5 minus 1. Evaluate again. 5 times the quantity of 3x squared minus square root of 3 times the quantity of 5x raised to 4. And the answer is f of x equals 15x squared minus 5 square root of 3 raised to 4. Next, we have a product rule. The derivative of the product is equal to the first time the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Next, we have a sum rule. The derivative of a sum is equal to the sum of a derivative. Take the derivative of each function separately. Next, we have a multiple rule. The derivative of a constant times a function is equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. And lastly is power rule. The derivative of the power is the power times the base raised to the power minus 1. Example, f of x equals x raised to 5. Evaluate. F of x equals 5x raised to 5 minus 1, and the answer is 5x raised to 4. Example number 2. F of x equals x cubed. Evaluate. F of x equals 3x raised to 3 minus 1, and the answer is 3x squared. Thank you for watching.